Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. But what makes it so powerful? In this video, we'll explain what compound interest is, how it works, and why understanding it can literally change your financial future. Let's start with the basics. Simple interest is when you earn interest only on your original amount, also called the principal. For example, if you put $1,000 in the bank at 5% simple interest, you'd earn $50 every year. Straightforward, right? Compound interest, on the other hand, means you earn interest on both your original money and on the interest that money already made. It's growth on top of growth, like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and faster. Here's an example. Say you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate, compounded once a year. After the first year, you have $1,050. After the second year, you earn interest on $1,050, not just $1,000, so now it grows to $1,102.50. By year 10, that $1,000 has grown to more than $1,600, all without adding a single extra dollar. The key is that the interest keeps earning more interest. The longer you leave it, the faster it grows. Time is the secret weapon of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. For example, if person A invests $200 a month starting at age 25, and person B invests the same amount but waits until 35, person A will retire with nearly double the money, even though they both invested for the same number of years. That's the magic of letting your money grow over time. Compound interest shows up in many places. Your savings accounts and investments, where it helps your money grow, but also in debts like credit cards and loans, where it can work against you if you're not careful. So compound interest is a double-edged sword. It can either build your wealth or increase your debt depending on how you use it. To make compound interest work for you, start investing or saving as early as possible. Stay consistent, even with small amounts. Avoid high-interest debt that compounds against you. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Compound interest is like a money multiplier. The sooner you understand it and use it to your advantage, the more financial freedom you can create. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to grow their money smarter.